At this time, in a couple of days, Google will unveil its new Pixel 8 series smartphones, but that timeline is only making leaks hit the web even faster. Over the weekend, video unboxings of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro have hit the web, with a few details confirmed, including the type of fingerprint sensor. We've already seen the standard Google Pixel 8 unboxed in a short video clip, and now the same source has unboxed the Pixel 8 Pro on video. PBK Reviews posted a short clip to YouTube, unboxing a black Pixel 8 Pro. Much like the Pixel 8 box, you're only getting a quick switch adapter and USB-C to C cable in the package, so you may need to use your existing charger or buy a new one. We also get a closer look at the phone itself, showing a triple rear camera system with all cameras in one big cutout. We can make out the apparent thermometer too, just below the flash. The Pixel 8 Pro seen here lacks a glossy back cover compared to the Pixel 8 seen in the YouTube channel's earlier unboxing. So if you like to use your phone without a case but can't stand fingerprint grease, this finish might be up your alley. The Pixel 8 Pro's flat display is also clearly seen here, and still perhaps the most welcome hardware change we're seeing in this generation. It's through the comments, though, that we get some new information. According to the channel's host through comments on the two videos, Pixel 8 and 8 Pro both still use an optical fingerprint sensor. It's unclear if a new generation of the tech is being used or if it's any faster or more accurate, but the tech itself is still the same, at least according to the host's claim. It's worth noting that the sensor isn't actually shown in action. We'll need to wait for October 4 to see the official rundown, including specs, features, and pricing. But we're guessing there will still be plenty of leaks ahead of the launch event. So what are your thoughts on this early unboxing of the Pixel 8 Pro device from Google? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section, and for more updates you can check out our channel. See you in the next one.